I'm super excited about today's video. We're going to be making these super delicious and healthy protein balls. So let's get to it. In a stand-up mixer, mix together 1 cup of old-fashioned oats, half a cup of unsweetened shredded coconut, a fourth a cup of mini chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, half a tablespoon of ground cinnamon, and a fourth a teaspoon of salt. Now stir in 3/4 a cup natural peanut butter, a fourth a cup of honey, half a teaspoon pure vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of milk. Alrighty, now you're going to roll out your dough into circles and put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now enjoy your healthy but delicious protein balls. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure to subscribe to this channel and share our videos with your friends. See you next time on BG Bakers.